Hey y'all, so if you don't already know, you should, but Makartt is very known for the rhinestone glue. But a lot of people don't realize they have 5 different rhinestone glues. Yeah, 5. And they all are meant for different things. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you all 5 of the rhinestone glues and how to use them for the best maximum wear. Let's get into it. Let's start with the best seller, the rhinestone glue. The regular rhinestone glue that you always see everyone use. It actually surprised me the most because I was able to draw the 3D lines that you always see. It's so easy, and that is always going to be my go-to. The lines just come out so crisp and clear. You don't have to worry about no bubbles or fogginess like some other 3D gel. If you like doing detailed designs, precise placements, or even adding a little accent, this one is definitely going to be your best friend, and it is a need, not a want. Next, let me show you this dual tip gel glue. As you see right here, this baby right here has a needle tip and a mini brush for perfect application. If you like to switch between tiny rhinestones and small charm areas, this one's for you, honey. It is the most convenient grab and go glue tool that I have used yet. This gel glue liner brush is a game changer. You could seal all your rhinestones side to side so you could have 100% security. I never understood how bad I needed this until I actually used it, and I love it. It is definitely a go-to. Then there is the gem grip glue, which I feel like is probably the easiest for beginners. The texture is really easy to work with, very forgiving, and lets you adjust your placement without even stressing it out. If you're doing either DIY or just beginning your nail journey, this is for you. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And now for the pro duo, rhinestone gel glue and super strong rhinestone gel glue. They're professional grade products, and they even come with a brush. Both of them hold large charms very well. Think big gems, heavy metal pieces, statement decor, any of that. Big charms that you would think that you would need an extra hold. Let me explain the difference between the two. Rhinestone glue gel is good for flat backs or even slightly curved charms rhinestone. Now this super strong rhinestone gel glue is for everything and anything else. It's going to hold the biggest charm, the biggest rhinestone, anything that you think will fly off. This will hold it down. This one is the holy grail. So yes, this is the secret behind how to use the Makartt gel glue in all of their forms. They didn't just make glue. They made 5 different tools for all your nail glue needs. Whether you're DIY, a beginner nail tech, or someone who just loves the big glammy charm. If you want to try them out, just search on Amazon Makartt gel glue. Let me know what you think about these products and which one fits your style. All right, bye y'all.